Now, let me just start this by saying I in no way think this is going to happen, but it's an interesting idea. Obviously, with Pro Circuit being so hit by injuries and out of riders, well, they do have someone who's very well versed on a Kawasaki. This guy right here, Axell Hodges, who, at the point, is only 26, has amazing bike skill, and who knows? Obviously, this is a pipe dream, but he did post today on his Instagram and on his YouTube something about quote unquote Supercross prep, riding full, Supercross track, doing whoops, running laps. How serious this is, who knows? It could just be him making a joke and just here's a fun video of me riding a track for a couple laps here there for a couple hours a day, whatever, and just having some good content, making people talk about it. But it does beg the question. Obviously, he has been on Kawasaki for a long time. He's very fast. Probably could have raced. Obviously could have raced when he was young, but he took the Brian Deegan and FMX side of things, where just probably less stressful life. Less training, less worrying about what you eat, and just kind of go do some flips and make some fun content. But in the comments below, you tell me. 1, do you think he would do well? 2, do you believe he would ever even consider it? Because obviously you'd have to do some serious training to get the stamina for it and just be even competitive. Like, you don't want to go into this and just be dead last on a factory bike with your name and look like a fool. So you tell me, how well do you think he would do? Would he even do it? Is this just an absolute farce of him just making some, clickbait YouTube title, which I'm going to piggyback off of? I'm going to be very blatant about that. But whatever it is, comment it down below. Tell me what you think. As you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Playing the YouTube algorithm game, obviously, all the interaction helps with that, and I appreciate it very much. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.